Dancer Diaries, and to today's video, which is a really lovely tutorial. It's a move based from our horizontal figure 8, but we're going to add a step into it as well. So if you haven't learnt your basic horizontal figure 8 yet, please do that first. I'll link a video to that below. But if you already have that one down pat, then this is a really beautiful earthy ballady move that moves really big through the hips, so you'll enjoy this one. Starting off, as always, with our good posture, feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up, hands out of the way. We're coming into our figure 8, so as you know, we bring one hip to the front corner and to the back corner, other hip to the front corner and the back corner, smoothing it out. Now today, what we're going to add into it is a little step. I'm bringing my feet a little bit wider, and each time I bring that foot forward, I'm bringing my hip forward as well. So nice and slow, I'm coming forward, and then as I change to the other foot, I step it forward. So I'm coming around, and when you get to speed, each time you bring that hip forward, you are stepping those feet. So you can see, because my feet are a little bit wider and because I'm using the step, the figure 8 becomes even bigger than usual. And this is really beautiful if you're wearing a long skirt and you have a skirt tucked in to even emphasize your hips more and make them look even bigger. It looks really, really beautiful because you add even more accentuation onto the hips. So from the front or from the side, you can see my feet are still kind of in line with each other. I'm bringing the hip around as I step through. So this is a really nice kind of earthy move. It's great, as I said, with more of your ballady style dancing, but it can be a beautiful one as well, even if you want to walk it forward or back when you're doing more oriental style. So if you're walking it forward or back, the same principle goes, just that when we step forward, our hip comes forward and then around, forward and around, forward and around, forward and around, and smoothing it out and back. So even when we step back, our hip is still coming forward in our horizontal forward 8s. From the side, same move, stepping forward and around, and smoothing it out. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this move. It's a really beautiful one. It's nice because it's flowing, and a lot of our steps are accented steps, but this is a step where you can really make it flow with beautiful, soft, earthy music. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and press the little bell so you're notified of when new videos are released, and as always, happy dancing.